Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're diving into something super exciting, the basics of automations using two powerful tools, Make.com and Airtable.com. Let's get started. First, head over to Make.com and sign into your account. If you don't have one, don't worry, it's free to sign up. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface. You'll see sections like Teams, where you can manage collaborators, Scenarios for building workflows, Templates to use pre-designed automations, Connections to link your apps, and webhooks for custom integrations. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's all laid out in a very user-friendly way. Familiarize yourself with these features, as we'll be using a few of them in this tutorial. Next, let's create our first automation. For beginners, templates are a great place to start because they're already set up for common tasks. Click on the Templates tab and you'll see a list of automations you can use. For this video, I'm going to use the template called Automatically Forward New Gmail Messages containing a specific word to another Gmail. It's perfect for filtering and managing emails. Once you find the template, click on Create New Scenario from Template. This will take you to the setup page where you can start building your automation. Here's where the magic happens. Once the template is open, follow these steps. Connect your Gmail account. You'll need to connect it for both Watch Emails and Send Emails. Set a filter and criteria. In the Watch Emails module, add a filter. For example, you can specify a keyword like invoice or filter by sender or subject. Schedule the automation. Decide how often you want this automation to run, every hour, daily, or even in real time. Add a keyword filter. In the setup, add a condition so that only emails containing your chosen keyword are forwarded. Test the scenario. Once everything is configured, click on the Run Once button to test your automation and ensure it works. That's it. Your Gmail automation is live and running. This is just one example of how Make.com can save you hours of manual work. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's switch gears and move to Airtable.com. If you're not familiar with it, Airtable is like a supercharged version of a spreadsheet. It lets you organize and manage data in a visually appealing and highly customizable way. Let's get started. First, sign into Airtable.com. If it's your first time, Airtable will ask you some quick onboarding questions like, what's your role? What industry are you in? What kind of team do you belong to? You can either answer these questions or skip them if you're just exploring. Airtable will then create your first workspace for you. Once you're signed in, you'll be prompted to add team members. You can invite others by entering their email addresses. If you're working solo, you can skip this step. Choose a color for your app. Select a color theme that best suits your project. Describe your app's purpose. For example, you could say it's for project management, content planning, or sales tracking. Once you complete these steps, Airtable will generate a basic preview of your app. Now comes the fun part, customizing your app. Airtable makes it super easy to tweak everything to your needs. For example, add new tables for different types of data like tasks or contacts. Create custom fields such as text, checkboxes, drop-downs, or even formulas. Organize your data using filters, grouping, or sorting. Airtable's flexibility makes it perfect for personal use, team projects, or even managing a business. Spend some time exploring the options and tailoring the app to suit your workflow. Once you're happy with your setup, it's time to publish and share your app. Click on Publish in the top right corner. Airtable will ask you to choose an interface. This determines how others will view and interact with your app. You can then generate a shareable link or invite team members directly from Airtable. This makes collaboration super simple and efficient. And that's it. You've just created and customized your own app in Airtable. Now you're ready to start organizing your data like a pro. So, there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with Make.com and Airtable.com. These tools are powerful, yet easy to use, and they can save you a ton of time by automating tasks and managing your data. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Got questions or ideas for our next video? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.